Children, now let us see question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? If the interior angle, it is two things you should note, it is regular polygon and interior angle is 165. Okay, the given polygon is a regular polygon. If the interior angle is 165, then the exterior angle will be what? 180 minus 165, that is 15 degrees. Okay, so the number of sides will be what? You know that the sum of the exterior angles together, it is 360 degree. So the number of sides will be 360 divided by 15, that is equal to 24. The number of sides will be 24. Okay, now we'll go to the next question, fifth question. Now, is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle 22 degree? If each exterior angle is 22 degree, such a regular polygon can be there or not? That is a question. Okay, first question. Each exterior angle is 22 degree. Okay. The number of sides, how to find the number of sides then? You know the total sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. So 360 divided by 22. You are just cancelling with 2. So you are getting 180 by 11 only. You are not able to cancel it further. That is, you will not get a whole number. Okay, if it is a regular polygon, then the number of sides must be a whole number. You usually take number of sides as a whole number only, not 0.5 sides like that. Okay, so it should be a whole number, then only we can tell that these many number of sides. As we are not getting a whole number, it cannot be considered as the exterior angle of a regular polygon. Okay, so the answer is 22 cannot be exterior angle of a regular polygon. Now next one, B question, it is asked, can it be the interior angle? If it is exterior angle 22 degree, it is not possible, we told. Can it be the interior angle of a regular polygon, and why it is not possible or why it is possible? You should answer it. So B question, that is, if 22 is the interior angle, then what about the exterior angle? So if 22 is the interior angle, then exterior angle will be 180 minus 22, that is 155 degree is the exterior angle. So number of sides means what? 360 divided by 158 degree. Then it will be cancelled by 2 and you are getting 180 divided by 79. 79 is a prime number and we are not able to divide further. So we are not getting a whole number, which is not a whole number. Then 22 cannot be the interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay, now we'll go to next question. And let us see sixth question. Okay, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum interior angle. So for a regular polygon, what is the minimum number of sides required? That is 3. That is triangle, right? So 3 sides is the minimum number of sides. 2 sides polygon can happen? No. It is not possible with the 2 sides. So minimum number is 3 sides. So for a regular polygon of 3-sided means what triangle it is? Equilateral triangle, where all the 3 angles are of the same measure, that is 60 degree. Okay, regular polygon of 3 sides, it is equilateral triangle and each angle is 60 degree. So minimum possible interior angle of a polygon is 60 degree. Now B question, what is the maximum exterior angle? If 60 is the minimum possible interior angle, then what about the exterior angle? It is 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120 degree. Okay, now let us see the answers. That is, here the minimum number of sides of a polygon is 3. The regular polygon of 3 sides is an equilateral triangle and each interior angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Hence, minimum possible interior angle of a polygon is 60 degrees. Now, B question. sum of the exterior angle and its corresponding interior angle is 180 degree. Sum of the exterior angle and corresponding interior angle, linear pair, that is 180 degree. And minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degree, we have now told. So therefore the maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120 degree. Okay, now we'll go to the next question.